Hi everybody, I just uploaded a video a second ago, but that was a follow-up on the Tennessee accent rant and has nothing to do with this video. This video is a rant about biology. Yes, biology, the study of living things. Why? Why, do you ask? Do I rant about biology? Because biology is rant-worthy. I am in biology right now. You don't really care, but I'm in it. And 4 weeks ago we talked about this, so I have to talk to you about this. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And do not press that little YouTube button in the corner to go to your home page and look at your most, recent vids or your recommended for you. Don't listen to Evanescence or whatever kids listen to nowadays. Listen about biology. Yes, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. What are they? They're cells. Okay, so you have the prokaryotes, and they have no membrane-bound organelles. That's what makes them different from the eukaryotes, who have membrane-bound organelles. We are eukaryotes, by the way. Eukaryotes came second. Prokaryotes came first. Eukaryotes actually evolved from prokaryotes, which is really rare when you have this and then something that evolved from it. Usually, common ancestor evolved. Okay, but how this happened? How this happened? You have your prokaryotes, which are tiny, tiny, tiny. Eukaryotes, prokaryotes, tiny. So you have these prokaryotes, and you have these other prokaryotes, and they are the most abundant form of life on the planet, by the way. So you have all these prokaryotes, and the prokaryotes are eating other prokaryotes. They're all hanging out, eating each other, and that's cannibalism, whatever. It works for them. So what they do is they go, gnome, little prokaryote, digest. We're both prokaryotes that eat as well. So, how everything starts. You have a prokaryote who's hungry. You have a tiny prokaryote over here who's looking good. But as she comes up here, she sees that he is making energy. He is making energy. ATP. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing something with the environment, and he's just making energy. And she's like, hey, I could use that. So she gnomes him, but instead of digesting him, she tucks him away. She eats him, but chooses not to digest him. She keeps him in her body over there. And that's where he lives. And she says, here is safe, and here is warm, and I will protect you if you will make me energy. Because you're doing it already, and, I won't eat you. And he goes, alright, sounds like a deal. Beginnings of eukaryotes. I don't know if you heard that. That is like me eating a mouse who is good at calculating numbers and saying, instead of digesting you, you're going to live here and calculate my numbers for me. Ah! That doesn't even stop there. No. What happened millions of years ago is, so now these prokaryotes have little prokaryotes inside them. And they're hanging out. And then another one sees another prokaryote that's basking in the sun and digesting things from it. And this other prokaryote goes, wait a minute, you come here, and I'm going to tuck you away. And that's the chloroplast. That's how plants were made. Cannibalistic little things made plants. Huh? So I had to tell you. I had to tell you because it's important. Because cannibalism and the choice not to digest created things, or made things happen. Didn't really create them, but made things happen. So little tucks it away. I'ma use you. I thought you should know. Thanks.